the Extreme Hero here, and today I'm bringing you my Tetris in Java tutorial video. So let's just jump right into the basics. The first class is Wall. In any good Tetris game, we always have a wall to stop the blocks from going outside the game's boundary if the user attempts. This class has set boundaries and creates the coloring for these classes, as shown here. It makes sure that the size is not overreached or underreached when I implement drawable, and the size and the colors there just to add that snap. So the next class that we're going to cover is the Tetris object. It basically manages the blocks and its rotation and movement. If a block lands on the bottom in the game, it'll make sure that it links to the other blocks. Or if a row is completed, it will make sure that that row disappears. Another thing it manages is the randomness and the chance of the block coming down and the block's color. Apparently, it adds sounds into the program. Next class is Block. It is probably the simplest class in all and doesn't really have much going for it. It just is the blocks that fall down, and Tetris Object's the one that implements it. The next and final class is possibly the most complex class, the Coordinator. The Coordinator takes the entire program and ties it together to create the game. The Coordinator, while difficult to understand, is the main purpose of this game and wouldn't last without it. These are only 4 classes out of the total amount that I have shown you. This game is actually made of several classes, as shown here. It's made of tons of classes. Most of these classes are the block structure and how the block is shaped. Example is a long stick. It's just maybe 6 or 4 blocks tied together in one, shown here. Let me open up the game now and show you guys it. I'm going to mute the sounds first. So this is the game, the Tetris game, and this is how it works. As you can see in the top right corner of the game, there is the score counting down. And when the score starts counting down, and every time a row is completed, the score stops recording. The row disappears. This is the entire game completed and finished. It's not really that much, but when the blocks land, you can obviously add better graphics into the game. I really hoped you learned something from this and plan to make your own version of this game. Make sure to hit me up and show me your version if you do happen to make it. But until next time, guys, the Extreme Hero